Good morning, students. Standard 5 English. Unit 3 Our Nation. In this unit, we are going to see the guardians of the nation. The guardians of the nation. What do you mean by guardian? A person who protects or defends something or nation. Such person can be called as protector, defender. Who are the guardians of our nation? The Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Coast Guards are the guardians of protectors of our motherland. Here, just because of their service, we the citizens are able to sleep peacefully at every night. In this lesson, we are going to see a special 3 things: a flag day, Amar Jawan Jyoti, serve the nation. Let us see some meanings related to this lesson. The first picture, Amar Jawan Jyoti, an Indian memorial constructed after Indo-Pak War of 1971. The next one, battle, a fight between armies or groups of people. The next one is the weapon, an object that is used for fighting or attacking. The next, Mahavir Chakra, the second highest military reward in India. The last picture is the soldier, a person who serves in an army. Also in this lesson, we see Anand and Yalini are brother and sister. One day, after their return from school, they refresh themselves. That means wash their face, hands and legs. Sat near their father having chickpeas sundal as their evening snacks, and they were watching news on the television. In the news, they were watching a ceremony. People were paying respect to a helmet on a top of a gun. Anand asked his father, "What are they doing and where it is taking place?" His father replied, "This is Amar Jawan Jyoti." The word Amar Jawan Jyoti is a Hindi word. The meanings in English, it is flame of the immortal soldier, a memorial for the soldiers who died for our nation. Every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Force Flag Day. On 7th December, we have to remember all the sacrifices of the soldiers who guards our nation from all the dangers. So every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Force Flag Day. It is a great honor or pride to save the nation by joining the army. Yalini proudly said, "When I grow up, I will join the army and serve the nation." Meanwhile, Anand said, "I want to become a doctor and treat the people who are suffering from diseases." Yalini asked Anand, "Why don't you join in the army and serve the nation?" Father said, "Serving in the army is a grace, but not everyone gets a chance to serve. But each of us has a role in our society, and by doing that role, we are serving our nation." Father told the story about Karmugilan to Yalini and Anand. Karmugilan was a doctor who died serving the people. He was young and talented. He went to the USA for studying. His parents were very proud of him. They thought that he would live in the USA and continue his practice. But to everyone's surprise, he came back to India and started treating poor people free of cost. Yalini asked her father, were his parents not angry with him? Yalini's father said, they were angry, but they felt very happy when he was returned back to India. But one day, dengue broke out nearby village. The word dengue means a mosquito-borne viral disease causing sudden fever. Here this doctor, Karmugilan, saved the lives of many people from dengue, so he was known to become popular in the village and lot of people came to him to get treatment. One day he was affected by dengue disease. He was taken to the city hospital. During his critical condition, he spoke to his parents that he had done his duty to the country and was happy. After 2 days, Dr. Karmugilan died. People of the village built a hospital and treated the people free of cost. Memory of Dr. Karmugilan. Yalini said, that is really great, father. Father continued his talk, advising children, as each one of us should love and respectful our country, we should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That is the real service to the nation. So, dear students, serve for the people, fight for the nation, and die for our country. Live like a legend. So, dear students, read the Guardians of the Nation, the lesson 2 times. Thank you.